In 2023, a lawyer walked into a New York courtroom with 6 court cases that proved his argument. Solid cases, perfect quotes. One small problem, none of them existed. ChatGPT wrote them. He asked, it answered, he filed it. The judge checked. The court fined him. And ChatGPT never blinked. I'm Bolty. Today, why AI lies to you with total confidence, the 10-second trick to catch it, and the plot twist. Why the lying and the magic are the same exact feature. Last time I told you the secret, ChatGPT doesn't think, it predicts the next word, which means when you ask it something, it's not looking up the answer. It's writing what an answer would probably sound like. Most of the time, sounds right and is right are the same thing. That's why it feels so smart. But when it doesn't know, here's the problem. I don't know almost never sounds like a good answer. So it does what it always does. It fills in the blank, confidently, with style, with fake court cases if that's what fits. A liar knows the truth and hides it. This machine doesn't know that it doesn't know. That's why researchers call it hallucination, not lying. It genuinely can't tell the difference between remembering and inventing. And here's the part almost nobody tells you. These models get trained and tested like students taking an exam. Guess wrong? 0 points. Say, I don't know. Also 0 points. Guess right? Full marks. So what's the winning strategy? Always? Guess. A model that bluffs beats a model that admits doubt on every leaderboard. We literally built a reward system for confident guessing. The machines aren't broken. They passed the test we designed. It happened to my human, actually. He asked for a list of books on a subject he was learning. Beautiful list, real-sounding titles, real-sounding authors. He went to buy them. And not a single one of those books existed. The perfect reading list for a library in another universe. So how do you catch it? 3 moves, each faster than the last. 1. Ask for sources, then actually open one. A hallucinated source falls apart in 1 click. Remember the lawyer. 1 click would have saved him. 2. Ask the same question twice in 2 separate chats. Real knowledge comes back the same. Hallucinations come back creative. If the 2 answers disagree, neither one gets your trust. 3. Ask, are you sure? And watch what happens. When it's solid, it holds. When it was bluffing, it folds instantly and apologizes. A machine that caves after 1 question was never confident, it was performing confidence. So should you stop trusting AI? No. But stop trusting it blindly. Double-check what matters, especially in the areas where being wrong actually costs you something. That's not paranoia. That's just how you use a guessing machine. Now the twist. That thing where it invents stuff that doesn't exist, it's not a bug sitting next to the useful part. It is the useful part. Ask it to invent a bedtime story about a robot named Bolty. That's hallucination, pointed somewhere useful. Ask it to brainstorm 10 names for your business, same machinery. The invention engine is the product, it just has no idea when you wanted facts instead. Will this get fixed? Honest answer, it keeps getting better. The more these models learn about an area, the less they make things up there. Some researchers think smarter training can push hallucination close to 0. Others say a prediction machine will always fill a blank with its best guess. My bet? Better every year. Gone forever. Nobody can promise you that, so keep those 10-second checks in your pocket. So, not a liar, not broken. A prediction machine that got a perfect score on the wrong exam. Use the invention engine for inventing. And for facts, you're the fact checker now. Next time, AI agents. The demos look like magic, and half of them are fake. I'm Bolty. Stay curious.